Hello everyone and welcome to the presentation on the Reality-Virtuality continuum. This presentation was created by Isabel Ramos and me, Tomas Blažauskas. The Reality-Virtuality continuum spans from the real world to full immersion in a virtual environment. Augmented reality enhances the real world with digital information, while the virtual reality completely replaces it with a virtual counterpart. Between these extremes, mixed reality combines virtual and real elements interactively, blurring the boundaries between the two. The concept was first introduced by Paul Milgram. Let's investigate this continuum in detail. The real world is at one end of a continuum where learners implement activities without technological augmentation. Augmented reality overlays digital information in the real world, enhancing the learner's perception and interaction. In this example, you can see the marker-based augmented reality. You need a marker that provides spatial information to align with digital object. Nowadays, we have more advanced methods to augment the environment. The markerless augmentation reality solutions use the environment itself to augment it. You don't need to put a marker to provide spatial information. This information is extracted from the environment view. This example shows how some of the Kona city buildings were enriched using markerless approach. The terrain-based augmented reality solutions use the 3D mapped terrain to augment it. Most widespread solutions such as Google AR Core and Apple AR Kit use visual information to identify terrain. In such solutions, you put digital objects on the terrain, for example, on the desktop you use. In these pictures, you can see an example of a solution used in the Kaunas Military Museum. On the museum floor, you can put historical airplanes and other vehicles. The see-through augmented reality solutions do not record video of the environment and do not display surroundings. The environment is visible as if you were looking through a simple glasses. Only the digital objects are projected onto the transparent display. These systems need a 3D map of the environment to occlude the real objects. Various scanning solutions are used to extract 3D information from the environment. Microsoft HoloLens and Magic Leap are the most widespread devices implementing this approach. In the picture on the left, the Microsoft HoloLens device is shown. You can see the stereo cameras on the top of the glasses and two see-through displays. I would put augmented reality portals in the middle of the reality-virtuality continuum because they allow entering each world. One can use terrain-based approach to create some kind of magical portal on the ground, and when you enter the portal, the virtual environment is switched and you can use the same portal to return to the real world. As you can see in the example, you can easily move in both real and virtual environments. Just as we can augment real reality with digital objects, we can augment virtual reality with real objects. The difference is that the environment is virtual while some details are real, taken from the video feed or other sources. In the picture on the right, the user hands are cropped from the video feed and put into a virtual environment. Another example would be placing your desktop view into a computer of your virtual environment. In addition to visuals, we can augment virtual reality by incorporating other senses. Additionally, physical devices can be utilized to further enhance the overall experience within the virtual environment. In this example, you can see a paraglider simulator. It uses the fan to provide a sense of a wind. The speed of a fan depends on the speed of a paraglider. Two straps and a seat are used as input devices. A computer receives force from each strap and rotation of the seat. It uses the data to implement the mechanics of a paraglider. Virtual reality creates a fully immersive digital environment that replaces the real world entirely. Virtual reality refers to completely generated environments. Users wear virtual reality headsets that block out the physical world and transport them into a simulated reality. It is a virtual reality even if it is very photorealistic, but it doesn't include real-world objects or physical devices. The picture on the right shows a scene from a virtual tour of Wilders University Library. It looks real as it was photographed, but still it is a digital content. We took a small glance into different kinds of realities. There are no good or bad realities. There are many approaches. The solution to choose within the reality-virtuality continuum depends on the pedagogical goals. We will explore various solutions and their implementations in the upcoming courses.